Hi, so my heater just kicked in. As soon as I pressed record, my heater kicked in. Anyway, so it's currently, can you see it? 2:29 a.m. And I've decided that now is the time that I'm gonna braid my hair. So I was doing something and I just kept thinking about how I need to fix my hair. And I was planning to braid my hair, I was gonna put it off to next week. I know I said in my previous video that I was gonna do my hair this weekend, but I was like, I'm gonna do it next weekend and I'll just style my hair this week. And I was just like, oh, I don't really feel like styling my hair. And I just didn't like the fact that I was doing something and I was thinking about hair. So I'm gonna braid my hair now. I'm gonna braid my hair for the whole weekend. I'm not in a hurry. I'm not going anywhere. So, and even if I have to go somewhere, I'll just put a scarf or a hat over it. But so this is probably my last hair video for this channel for this year. And then I think I have one more video that I want to do after this, kind of like sharing my experience on YouTube this year and some lessons and some things I'm hoping for next year, but I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. It depends. Anyway, so I'm going to do my hair. I have my laptop here. I have my drink here. I have water as well. So this is sparkling wine. I can't believe I actually prefer cider over real wine now, but it tastes so good. This is apple and grape. So I put in a wine glass to feel fancy, but it's just non-alcoholic. Anyway, so I think I'm gonna watch something on Netflix. I'm rewatching Dawson's Creek for like the 5th time. But I don't know if I want to keep watching that or watch Gilmore Girls or watch something completely new. I don't know. I'll decide. But this is the hair that I'm using. xpression color 1B. Color 1B. I think I want to add some highlights, but the highlights that I got, the length is completely different than the hair that I had before. So this is 20 inches and this is color 30, and then but the 1B is is 42 inches and this is 20 inches. So, and I think I want to add some little thingies. I don't know yet. I might not, and even if I do, I might take them out later. So I'm gonna find a show and then I'm gonna start braiding. You guys saw that I washed my hair a couple of days ago. So I'm gonna spritz some water, add some leave-in conditioner, and this is the twisting cream. This is my cream that I'm going to use. And then I have just a little bit of my Ayurvedic oil left that I'm gonna finish. And you guys probably seen that already. If you've not, I will leave that in the link below. And so that's what's happening. And I'll be back to check in or not check in, or I'll probably just come back when it's all over. Okay. I'm gonna find something to watch now. So we just hit the halfway mark. Half of my head is done. It is currently 5:08. I hope this thing focuses. What is this? There's some. What is that? There's some lines on the camera. Anyway, so halfway done. It's currently 5:08. I started, I think, at 2:20. And so, and now, like, usually I just braid the tip, but like I'm braiding the whole thing because I want like a wavy look. Like, I want the braids to look a little bit like old, as if I've already worn it for like at least 2 weeks or something. But I'm gonna take a break after this. So it took me roughly 3 hours to do the back, and I'm anticipating it's gonna take me at least 3 more hours or longer to do the front, because I'm actually gonna be parting with the comb in the front. Like in the back, I didn't use any comb to part it. Like, I think I used a comb twice or 3 times even, and then I just used my hand to part it. And then I was watching this show from South Africa, How to Ruin Christmas. I only got through 2 episodes, and then I was watching some TED Talks. Like, I'm tired, but like I'm awake. So I'm just gonna continue on my day, and it's Friday. So I'm just gonna continue my day, and then we'll see what happens. I don't even know if I should show you because I didn't part it. Like, it's probably terrible. That's pretty much it. So I'm back to finish doing my hair. It's still Friday, but it's currently 8:05. 8:05. I hope it focuses because I've been doing this throughout the video. But anyways, yeah, I really wish somebody could do this for me, but you know, do I want to pay for it? No. But I'm so tired. Let's see if I finish tonight. If not, then I'll probably finish tomorrow. So I'm gonna start on this side, and then I'll come back, and I'm starting on this side. So hopefully I finish. The goal is to finish tonight. Hopefully I spend like 3 hours doing this. I'm so tired. I should go sleep and then wake up like I did yesterday, and then do it. I should go sleep. I'll start and see. I'll start and I'll see how I feel. I'm gonna watch some YouTube, and then maybe I'll catch up on A Million Little Things, and then I'll catch up on This Is Us, and then I'm gonna watch, depending on how many episodes I have to watch. Actually, I don't even think I want to watch anything heavy, so maybe I'll watch The Real Housewives. Somebody send help. Alright, I'll see you guys. I'm on my last section. It's 10:43. I have stopped to sit down. I have.
I don't take madness. I don't take far.
Okay, I'm gonna finish
I don't take
this
so
section.
far minutes.
It took me. It's 10:43. I started at 8 something. I'm not sure why it took me longer, but I'm gonna see if I can move it a little quickly on this section. I think I'm gonna be done today. Well, into tomorrow, but I'm tired. But I'm determined to finish it today. That way I'm a free bird tomorrow. I have no plans tomorrow. This video. Okay. How's that getting? Okay, so my hair is done. I'm gonna dip it in hot water. Is it recording? Okay. Yeah, so my hair is done. I'm gonna dip it in hot water, and then I'm gonna add these things, and then I'm done. It is currently 12:47. Alright, so I'm going to dip the ends, and then I'm going to use a towel to squeeze. I have my hot water here. Hee hee.